Hello, good morning students, everyone. Today we will start our new chapter, third chapter of coordinate geometry. As you know, in first chapter also number system, we already learned how to how to represent a number on a number line. It is number line. Right side is positive and left side always negative number. How to locate the position of a point. How to locate the position of a point on number line. Where is 3? It is 3. Where is 1? It is -2 here. We can locate the position of any point on number line. First thing, what is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry, we study the geometry with coordinates. It's basic. We already study in 8th class also coordinate geometry. How to locate the any point in plane. Now we will learn any point. How there are some more method to find the position of any point. Now we learn how to represent a point in a plane. What is the position of this point in respect of this plane? What is meaning of a plane? Plane is a two-dimensional figure. Okay, it is a two-dimensional figure in which we represent any point. Two dimension means length and breadth, in which has two dimension. Understand? So now we will learn how to represent any point on number line. So number line, suppose in a plane you you can see many example of any point in a plane. Suppose our house. What is the position of our house? Suppose it is a main street. It is the main road in our village. Understand? And these are the it is first street in our village, and it is second street. In third, it is a first house, second, third, fourth, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more street, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is fourth street. It is third. If anyone want to go, if I say you go to in first street and second house, first street and in which house? In second house. It is first street and second house is this one. We can go easily in this house. Understand? Suppose if I say go to in fourth street, house number 4. So where is first street, second street, third street? It is fourth street. So we will go here. So it is the position of this house. So it is like a point. So there are many examples to represent any point in a plane. Understand? Suppose like this one. One more example. It is a plane. It is a plane. What is the position of this point? It is. So we observe, some student we will say, sir, it is the middle half. You can say that upper half of plane. What is the position of point? Upper half. It means it is the upside of half. Upper half of the plane. Position of this one, upper half. The dot या point is upper half of the plane. Okay. Some student maybe say, sir, it is near. It is left edge. It is right edge. It is near to left edge. Yes. So both position are right. So which one we will choose? It is very, there is so much confusion. Maybe some students will say it is very far from right edge. Is right edge. So it is here very difficult. What is its position? Maybe some students say Suppose we are taking one more point here. We are taking here. So this one we will say it is also upper half of the plane, and also you can say that near to left edge. So both these are the 2 points. One this one this one. Both are the different point, but position you are telling me both are the same, but both the position are is not a same. So now how we will find its exact location? Exact location. We will take two edge, any two edge. Suppose we are taking this one and this one. So now we will find by scale. We measure how much it is. Suppose it is 5 centimeter. So we can write 5 centimeter from bottom line. It is bottom line. Yes, it is 5 centimeter. And we can write, suppose it is 1 centimeter. So we can write 1 centimeter from left edge. It is the exact position of this point. Suppose any other point you take, choose here. Yes. So it is. So this distance how much? So it is more than 5. So it is 6 centimeter from bottom line. And it is how much far? Only half centimeter. So 0.5 centimeter from left edge. So from this one, this method we can represent or the position of any point is exactly. It means we need two perpendicular line. We already studied in 8th class. And this method is invented by a French mathematician, René Descartes. What is the mathematician name? René Descartes. René Descartes. One day René Descartes is going to sleep at night. When he was lied on bed, then he observed a ant. Suppose it is a ant is roaming on the wall. Is roaming on wall. Then he think, what is the position of this ant? Because ant is there. So what is the position of ant? Some will say it is near to upper edge. Some will say it is very far from bottom edge. You can say that it is near to left edge. So there are different position of this ant, but the ant is there only one position. Then René Descartes gave the method to how to find the location of this ant. So he told we will take two perpendicular line, any two perpendicular lines. Suppose one is this one is this one. How much far from here and how much far from here? So it is 5 centimeter from the bottom and 1 centimeter from the left. So René Descartes invented this method. Understand? So now in same as it is, we will start our exercise. What is the position of any point? Position of the any point. Suppose in respect of our board is also a plane. Yes, plane means two-dimensional figure. It means what is the position of this point? Suppose this point. What is the position of this point in respect of this plane? Plane is board. So it means we will take two perpendicular lines. One is this one is this one. Yes, how much far from left edge? Suppose 5 centimeter. How much far from bottom? 10 centimeter. So what is the position of this point? 5, 10. Understand? You can write 10, 5. Both are right. Understand? In next exercise, I will tell which one is correct. Okay? Both are right exactly. 10, 5, 5, 10. Now, same as it is, how to same as it is, we will use this one. It is also classroom activity also. Yes, in classroom, how will you? It is your teacher chair and it is the first row, second row, third row. These are column and first bench, second bench, third bench, fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I ask you, stand up, one student from the third row, fourth, third row. Yes, third row. So which one? First row, second row, first, second, third, and fourth row. Stand up one student from the third row of the first bencher. So it is position. If I should stand up a boy from the fourth row of third bencher, it is. So we can find easily. Understand? Fourth row, third bench. First row, second bench. It is. So it is also a coordinate plane. So every point we can represent in plane. So now, first question of 3.1. 3.1. How will you describe the position of a table lamp on your study table? Suppose it is a study table. It is our study table, and suppose here is, I'm writing here is, it is the table lamp. And how will you locate the position of this study table in respect of other person? So everyone, so we will choose study lamp is like a point. Understand? So now, what is? So it is so we will write let study lamp is a point. We choose study lamp is as a point. Now we will choose, yes. And now we will, and how will we find the position of any point in a plane? We have to need two perpendicular line. We need two perpendicular line. Understand? So right after this one, we can choose any two perpendicular line. You can choose this one and this one also. You can choose this one and this one also. You can choose this and this one. Any two lines you can choose. Not necessary always we will choose this one and this one. No. You can choose any two. This one, these two, anyone. Suppose we are choosing these two perpendicular lines. Okay? Like, so right, choose two perpendicular. Perpendicular mean 90 degree. Angle between two lines is 90 degree. Choose two perpendicular edges. So suppose we are choosing these two. Okay? So we will find how much far from it is from the bottom edge. Understand? Suppose it is 10 centimeter. How much? 10 centimeter. So we will find. So we will write measure the distance. Measure the distance of point from, you can say bottom line, otherwise you can say that it is bottom, or you can say that it is longest side, it is small side, because table is a rectangle shape. So you can say that from the bottom edge, that is how much distance is 10 centimeter. Next, find the distance. You can measure from here also, otherwise you can measure because we are taking these two perpendicular, this one and this one. So right, next is, suppose it is 2 centimeter. How much? It is 2 centimeter. So you write measure the distance of point from the left edge, that is 2 centimeter. That is 2 centimeter. So you can write the position of lamp. The position of lamp is, both are position. Yes, first is from the bottom is 10 and comma from the left edge it is 2. Or we can write, maybe some student we will write first from the left edge, so write first 2 and then 10. Understand? Both are right. Understand? 10, 2 or 2, 10. So it is our first question. So same as it is different point, the position of different point you can find. Understand? Next question number 2. Read everyone. These are only basics. These are will not. These will not come in our exam also. These are only how to locate any point on in a plane. Plane is a two-dimensional figure. So next is second question, street plan. A city has two main road which is cross each other at center of the city. In a city there is a two cross road and they are crossing each other at a center. It is first road, it is second road. So these are two roads. These are crossing each other. These two roads are along the north-south direction. First road is north-south direction. Second is east or west. East and west. Next is east and west direction. All the streets of the city run parallel to these roads. All of the cities are parallel to these roads. All of the street is parallel to these roads. These are the two main roads. So all the other streets of the city are run parallel to these roads and parallel 200 meter apart. Yes, first road 200 meter. It is. We will use of scale. Understand? These are 5 streets in each direction. In each direction using 1 centimeter is equal to 200 meter. And we know all of the street has the apart 200 meter. But we cannot take 200 meter on number line. So we will choose 1 centimeter equal to 200 meter. Understand? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 street on each direction. So it means in east also 5. So it is 5. So 5 street these are. Next as same as it is. 5 is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? Same as it is. 5 are in north direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Understand? Otherwise you can take only one side eyes also. Understand? Otherwise you can choose like this one. If you don't understand. In a city only these two main road is given. Only two main road is given and both are in north, south and east and west direction. So you can choose like this one also. It is main road. East, west, also north, south. So you can all the street of the city run parallel to 200 meter. There are 5 street in direction using 1 centimeter. Draw a model of city on your notebook. Represent the. So there are 5 street 200 meter in each direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same as it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is 5. So these are two main road and these are 5 street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 are north through south and this one 1, 2. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4. These are. Understand? So next is there are many cross street. Yes, you can say there are many cross street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where they are crossing each other. In your model, a particular cross street is made by 2 street. Yes, a particular cross is made by 2 street. Yes, this cross is by this one and this one. Yes, and each cross street is referred to the following manner. Yes, if the first street running in north south and fifth in east direction meet at some crossing point. It is given if second street in north south, it is north south, and fifth in east and west. So where 2 and it is fifth. So it is the position, and it is 2, 5. 2, 5 mean first we are taking the coordinate of the north south. In the question is given if the second street running in the north south, yes, it is second street in north south, and fifth in east west, where these are crossed there. So it is 2, 5. Using the convention, this method, first part, how many cross street can refer to as 4, 3. 4, 3 mean first we are taking north south, 4 street of north south, this one, and 3, 1, 2, 3, this one. So where is this point? 4, 3. So it means he is asking how many cross street can we refer to? 4, 3. Now you will ask, sir, why we are not taking, why we cannot write this 3, 4? Because in question is already given. First we are taking north to south. Which one street? 4th and this one. So how many street? Right? There is only one cross street represent 2, 4, 3. Next, second part. How many cross street can we refer to? 3, 4. 3, 4. First we will write north to south. Third street. 1, 2, 3. Third and fourth. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, right? Here is also. So there is only one cross street represent 2, 3, 4. So both are uniquely, both are different. These are not a same. Understand? I hope everyone is understand. It's basic of the first exercise. Tomorrow we will study our second exercise. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. And remember these are not coming in exam, but it's only how to find the position. We will need only 2 perpendicular line. If you want to find the position of any point, we need a perpendicular from here to here. How much far? 7 centimeter. Here is 5. So what is 7? Like this one we can write. Understand? Or 5, 7. Understand? So we can write. Oh, I hope understand everyone. Thank you everyone.